Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clarity English Practice, the best channel where learning English is easy and fun. Today, we have a special episode that will help you speak English fluently. I'm Jessica.
Hello, Jessica. Hi, everyone. I'm David.
How are you today, David?
I'm great, thank you. I'm very happy today.
Oh, why are you happy?
The sun is shining. I like sunny days. And you, Jessica, how are you?
I am very good, thanks. I am also happy. I am actually very excited.
Excited? Why?
Because of our topic today. It is a big topic for anyone who wants to start English speaking practice and stop struggling.
Oh, a big topic. What is it?
Today we talk about how to train your brain to speak in English. This is the secret to mastering easy introductions for beginners and feeling confident.
Wow, that is a big topic. Train my brain.
Yes, we will learn how to learn to think in English. It is like exercise for your brain.
Exercise. Is it difficult to learn to think in English?
No. It is not difficult. It is easy and it is fun. It is perfect for A1 English learners.
Easy and fun. Okay, I am ready to improve my English speaking.
That's great. But wait, before we start,
Oh yes, before we start. Everyone, we have a small request.
yes, if you like our English podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up button. Click, click, click.
And please subscribe to Clarity English Practice for the best English learning videos. Subscribing is very important. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share. Share this episode with your family and your friends who want to learn English online.
Yes, share with everyone. Okay, I am ready. Let's train my brain. Section 2. The problem. The struggle is real. Okay, David, let's start. So, when you speak English, what do you think?
What do I think? I think in my language.
Yes, your first language.
Yes, I think a word in my language. Then I translate in my head.
Yes, translate.
Then I speak the English word.
I understand. Many students do this, but it is slow.
Yes, it is very slow. My brain is wait. It is hard work.
It is hard work, and our goal, our big, happy goal, is to stop translating in your head and learn to think in English.
Think in English. Wow.
Yes, no translate, just natural English.
That sounds fast.
It is fast, it is natural, it helps you speak English fluently.
Okay, I want this. How? How do we start?
We start small.
Small?
Very small.
Like one word?
One word is good, but a simple English sentence is better.
A sentence. Oh, that sounds big.
No, very small. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen.
In my head, I don't just think pen.
No?
No, I think this is my pen. This is a basic English phrase for beginners.
Ah, this is my pen. Or my pen is blue.
Yes, exactly. Good job, David.
Thank you. Okay, so short English sentences in my head.
Yes, all day. It's easy. It's perfect for your daily routine. For example, in the morning, you wake up.
Okay, I wake up and stretch, ready to start the day.
Yes, David, and what do you think?
I am awake.
Yes, perfect. Or I am hungry.
And I want coffee. I go to the kitchen. I open the door.
Yes, this is it. This is excellent A1 English.
Really? Is this training my brain to speak in English?
Yes, you are thinking in sentences. For instance, I brush my teeth. The water is cold.
I see my face. I am very handsome. Okay, I like this tip.
It is tip number 1. Think in small sentences to build English vocabulary.
When I'm at home, when I'm on the bus.
Yes, on the bus, I see a window. I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Wow, I am thinking in English. It feels good, yes?
It feels different but good. You connect the English to your life, not to your language.
Yes. English, life. No translation.
Exactly. This is the big secret to speaking English confidently.
Okay, tip 1, small sentences. I am talking to Jessica. David is a good student.
Thank you. Okay, what is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input? What is input?
Input is English in.
Ah, English goes in my ears.
Yes, in your ears and in your eyes.
Listening?
Yes, English listening practice.
Ah, like this podcast.
Yes, Jessica, good idea. Like this podcast, we are good input for learning English conversation.
We are great input. When you listen to Easy English,
Easy English for Beginners, A1.
yes, your brain hears the patterns.
Patterns?
Yes, the sentences. I am, you are, he has.
Ah, the rhythm, the music of English.
Yes, what a good word, the music. So listening helps my brain think?
Yes, it gives your brain food, English food.
I like English food, so what do I listen to?
Well, Clarity English practice
Of course.
and simple songs.
Songs, music. I like music.
Me too. Find simple English songs, songs you like. When you like the music, listening is fun. It is not work.
Ah, yes, fun is good. Learning must be fun.
Or simple pop songs. Some pop songs are very repetitive.
Repetitive, the words again and again.
Yes, I love you. Like a love song, baby.
See, you know it. Okay, simple music I like. What else?
And watching. Input for my eyes. You can even learn English through stories on video.
Yes, watching videos. Movies are good, but sometimes they are very fast.
Yes, too fast. The words are fish, fish, fish.
Fish, fish, fish. Yes, I understand. I watch and I am lost.
So, find things you like to watch. What do you like, David?
I like cooking.
Perfect. Find simple cooking videos in English. This is great English practice.
Oh, good idea. The person says, I see the tomato. I add salt. Then I connect the word and the action.
Wow, that is a great tip. David, I like sports too. I like football.
Okay, so find short videos, maybe news about football. He kicks the ball. It is a goal.
Exactly. Because you like cooking and you like football, it is not boring. It is interesting. It is attractive. And my brain is happy.
Yes, a happy brain learns more.
Okay, input. Listen to simple podcasts and music and watch simple videos about things you like. Cooking, sports, maybe travel.
Yes, travel videos are great. This is New York. It is beautiful.
This is much better. Learning English is fun now.
It is. Input, listen and watch. This feeds my brain.
Yes, it makes your brain strong in English. Okay, tip 1, think in small sentences all day. I am walking. I am reading.
Yes. Tip 2,
Input, listen and watch things I like.
yes, easy English. Podcasts like Clarity English Practice, simple songs, and simple videos. Videos about cooking or sports.
Yes, and tip 3,
Yes, you are speaking. Speak to myself. Describe your room. Talk about your day, like I am speaking English.
yes, you are. Jessica, this is great, but is it fast? Do I learn fast? Will my brain change tomorrow?
No, David, no. It is slow. Learning a language is slow, but that is okay. Be patient.
Ah, okay. I will be patient.
Yes, be kind to your brain.
Hello, brain. I am kind.
Yes, do it every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Not 2 hours?
If you have 2 hours to study, that's fine. But we know that most people don't have much time. So studying at least 10 or 15 minutes every day is very good for daily English practice.
Ah, okay. Small steps. Small steps every day. And what if I make a mistake? I say I is happy.
Oh, good question. I is happy. Oh no, I am happy.
Is that bad?
Mistakes are good. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning. When you make a mistake, you say, "Oh, okay," and you try again.
Oh, okay. I will be brave. Don't be afraid to be wrong. And have fun.
Have fun, yes, and it must be fun. If it is not fun, I will stop. I like watching cooking videos. That is fun. And I like talking to you, David. That is fun.
Me too, Jessica. Wow, my brain feels bigger. Your English brain is growing.
That was a great episode, David.
Thank you, Jessica. You had great examples.
Thank you. I hope this helps everyone.
Me too. And if it helps you, everyone, listening,
Ah, yes. Please, we have one more request.
yes, please don't forget to subscribe to Clarity English Practice.
Yes, subscribe for more easy, fun episodes to learn English.
And share this episode. If you have a friend learning English, send it. Share the fun.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, homework?
Yes, please leave a comment below. What is the question, David?
Tell us, what do you do to train your brain to speak English?
Ooh, good question.
Yes, do you listen to music? Do you speak to yourself? Do you watch cooking videos?
Yes, write your English learning tips in the comments. We want to read them.
Yes, we do. Thank you for listening, everyone. It was so fun. See you next time.
Bye, and don't forget to feed your brain some English today.
Bye-bye.